Okay, here we are, Kia camping again. We have run into an issue. It is raining too hard. So we're gonna have to regroup this camping trip. Look at this river. When we got here, this thing was not hitting them bushes over there. And it just keeps getting closer and closer to the bank. We was hoping it would dry out, but Jeffrey did get up and get me a hot cup of coffee. Sweet baby doll. Look at that river. We at Tate Branch, Clayton, Georgia. We ain't never stayed at this one before. We tried this one because Tallulah was full and the river socks was full. And there comes Jeffrey in his famous hat, waterproof hat. Hey, my blinking light left. I thought I didn't be videoing. What the hell? Oh, there it is. It's videoing, ain't it?
Yes.
Let's see if we can see our face. Well, I turned it wrong.
We're going all kind of crazy.
Yeah, I sort of turned it sideways, but I know my new haircut is fried. We got some neighbors over there, and we got a potty over there in the corner. We got bear-proof trash bins, and our beautiful Kia. We gotta get us a tent or a better thinger. What? Yeah. We didn't bring up. This was just a spur of the moment. Get in the car, get your shit, and let's go. But if it had quit raining, we'll have a beautiful Memorial Day weekend on this river. Beautiful river. Yep, just hitting the branches now. And it's up on the bank over there, but we had a little fish pond right here, but it slightly disappeared.
What?
Our little fish pond.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Oh, I thought you said those. Boy, the trees. I mean, the wind blowed that tree, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's warped. I hope it don't end up on us. Here we are up in the Great National Forest. 7:50 at night, can't beat it. It wasn't raining. But here we go, company. We had us a fire last night. Our neighbor over there, he had a big fire going, and we just laid up in the.
It just rained on it.
Yeah, we laid up in the bed tent, Kia bed, and watched his fire. He's all by himself. But oh, and I got me a new thing. My American flag. Watch them go on sale now. And maybe if they will, I'll buy me 2 more. Go on the side windows. Oh man, they got a whole crew busting up in here, ain't they?
Yeah.
They ready to do some serious fucking camping now. And there's the little potty house. I ain't went and checked it out yet, but I'm beginning if that don't turn around there, I wonder. I don't know, but this thing's getting wet. Mm-hmm. It's up the road.
I don't know.
I think the road's up there, ain't it? It's getting wet. Let me stop videoing here. 0 end.
Take a break.